Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this type of microwave zooms plus hard shake like this. First, take a adjustment layer. Then add S_blur Mo curves effect and do what I do. Select all keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Then copy my graph. Zooms are done. Now we will have to make the shake effects. Add adjustment layer and add twitch effect. And do what I do. And then add S_shake effect. And add exposure effect also. Now, topaz your clips and add your CC. Boom, your viral edit is done. Thanks for watching.